you. So, pakikuha naman po yung cake natin pag-muna na kayo. Okay. Okay, go. Okay, pwede ba natin Shadow Moon, please, samahan na sila para sa picture taking. Yeah!
Happy birthday, Lola!
And magpapapicture tayo with Shadow Moon. And sama natin si Shadow Moon. And pwede ba natin bigyan ng space si Shadow Moon? Okay, family pictures. Dalawang family pictures with Shadow Moon. Ayan. Okay, assist lang po si Shadow Moon sa likod. Ayan. Okay, post lang